Hey everybody, it's Weldon at Weldon PC, your local computer service center, which we're not going to be very local for very long, but stay tuned. Next week we will be posting a couple announcements. We've been doing some big, grander scale things here, and we want to keep you filled in, especially everybody at the Weldon PC Insiders group at facebook.com/groups/Weldon PC. Today's video is about looking at Windows 11. We've been telling everybody how Windows 11 we're not going to be supporting it till May. Again, one of our big announcements Monday is going to be how you can get Windows 11 installed on your computer for free. We're doing a pilot program. The first 5 people to vote will be entered into the drawing to get Windows 11 installed for free on their home computer. Cannot be for an office computer, cannot be for business use. You cannot be using the computer for school. With that being said, let's get into Windows 11. I want to welcome you to the all-new interface for Windows 11. You'll see that things kind of look pretty similar to Windows 10 in the respect that the time is still here at the bottom at the right. A lot of these icons are no longer centered, I should say justified to the left. They're now centered. The Start button's been redesigned. If you click on the Start button, this is the all-new look to the Start button. And you'll see here at the top, if you click there, you'll see all the apps very similar to what you're experiencing now in Windows 10, which is not that far from Windows 7, which I know has been defunct for some time. But you'll see that we do have a lot of the same basic things here. Obviously, you're not going to see Microsoft Office or anything. This is a fresh installation of Windows 11, freshly activated. Things like the calendar is a new feature here, but you need to connect this as well as everything else you do to a Microsoft account. So you do have a lot of cloud features that you are kind of tied to with Windows 11, whereas with Windows 10 and 7 and before, there was no need for being tied to the cloud. Microsoft Edge has been installed, and not much there has changed. They've got a lot of crazy bookmarks at the top there. So not much has changed with Microsoft Edge. You will notice, though, there is no Internet Explorer in Windows 11. When Windows 11 Microsoft has done away with Internet Explorer in Windows 11. You'll see that we still have quite a few other apps that are here. Amazon's Prime Video is present. TikTok is there, Facebook. So for you social media junkies, fear not. A lot of your same things will be there. Notepad is still here. Hasn't been redesigned in any way. But one thing I'm missing that I don't see right now is a calculator, because I wasn't looking close enough. It's down there in the right corner. So the calculator is still the same. So what other features do we have? Well, I'm looking at this for the first time along with you. So we've looked at the calendar, we've looked at the calculator. The camera is already in use. Cortana is here, but it is not posted like it used to be down there on the start bar, or the taskbar. I had Firefox installed. Chrome is installed. That's in addition to. Windows Mail is still there. Maps is a new addition. I don't want to click on News because I don't want to get that weird thing down by the clock. Solitaire Collection. I know a lot of people are really into Solitaire. So let's open that and see if they've changed that at all. It's tied into an Xbox Live, so it looks like you can save your game. So for you Solitaire junkies out there, your Solitaire, fret not, it's still intact. So let's continue down the Start menu list here and see what else is there. Microsoft To Do is a new feature. OneDrive is a cloud where you can store documents. See, there's something called Start Screen. This is new. Let's take a look. Or is this one of the things that may not work? Let's go back and look at some more apps. There's a voice recorder. We have weather, Windows security, like Windows 10, Windows 11 also has security built into it. You can connect to your phone if you have an Android. I don't know if it works well with an iPhone, but it is there. And then I do have Zoom installed. I did take a quick peek at this. It's not a totally fresh install. You'll notice that the settings is a little bit different. The overall look and feel is slightly different than it used to be. Windows updates is still good old Windows updates. They'll still run once a week. So this is kind of the brief overview of Windows 11. It doesn't look like it's anything to be too terribly afraid of yet. We are going to be offering 5 people next week a free installation of Windows 11. And this is going to be, we're looking primarily for people who will give us feedback. If there's a problem that you're experiencing, we want to work close with you on this because we're just trying to see if this is worth rolling out yet. We have waited. Windows 11's been around for about 6 or 7 months. And as everybody's aware, Windows 10 will be going by the wayside in 2025. So we want to start getting the rollout of Windows 11 happening now. Is it something you have to do this minute? No, we're actually not offering it right now. We don't see a benefit in offering it until sometime after May, the beginning of May. So if you're thinking about doing it, we are going to offer it. We're not going to offer it all in March. Maybe we'll do some early releasing in May. You have to join our newsletter list, weldonpc.com/list. If you join our newsletter list, we will email you when we are starting to do the Windows 11 upgrades. Even though your computer says it cannot install Windows 11, we do have ways around that. And we also can preserve your data so that none of your data is eradicated. But again, don't push off fixing your computer for this Windows 11 thing. There's still a lot that can happen, and there's still a lot of unknowns that we have. I know a lot of people said that they were afraid of the new Windows 11 because they didn't know what to expect. If you want to see something covered on Windows 11, drop a note in the comments below, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and as always, thank you very much for continuing to support small businesses just like ours.